Well, our trees are beginning to get some color. So, look at this foggy morning. Yeah, it is foggy, look. Whoa, Thanksgiving. It is so chilly this morning. It is about 6:37 and we are going to the farmer's market this morning. We are all heading down to the dentist office. So, wish us luck. So, be prepared for winter coming. Start doing your extra chores. Good morning, everybody. Oh, fall is in the air. It is so chilly this morning. It is about 6:37 and we are going to the farmer's market this morning. And we're just going to go out and see what we can see. Plus, I'm meeting a guy for hay this morning. Plus, meeting up with some old friends, some of my old-timer friends. And they're all supposed to meet me there. So let's get going this morning, and I'm taking you guys along. It is bright and early. Well, I don't know about bright, but the fog's in. But we'll head on out and let's get going. It's a chilly morning. Well, our trees are beginning to get some color. Yeah, it is foggy, look. But I love mornings like this. And we'll get started before everybody else does. Just look at this fog. You could cut this with a knife this morning. Look how thick. But the farms look so good when it's foggy like this. Look how thick. You can tell the temperature's changing because the fog from hot to cold. But it is feels like a fall day, so we're going to get out into it and meet everybody up at the farmer's market. So let's go. All right, we are here. Can't believe how many people are down here. And I thought I was an early bird. Okay. And they got this smoke going.
Oh yeah.
No.
These are Great Pyrenees puppies. They get females that get about 90 pounds, 90 to 100. Males can get up to 120.
Well, yes, on them.
250. I got a male and a female left.
Well, get a piece on your chicken.
6 or 7 days.
Well, you get a piece on your chicken.
12.
What about that big turkey?
Yeah, 125 pounds.
The potbellies, where do they go for?
I'm talking about mental pig, 150 a piece. That's about as big as they get.
The people buy them for pets, right?
Yeah.
They can live outside too, right?
Oh yeah.
I see them running across my
Whoa, Thanksgiving.
all the time.
He's beautiful. I bet he's mean.
Yeah,
I guess I can't shoot one on my property. It's only like
That's the female.
Oh, I'd shoot him anyway.
Yeah, I was thinking about
I was there in the ain't no houses real close.
He's strutting his stuff. Oh, gosh, he scared me.
the other day, two little deer. Well, 6 or 7 months ago, 2 little deer off that bridge. Flew right out in my yard, man.
Hey guys, boys are headed out. We're gonna take off in the bus and take off to a different campsite this week, but we're in the best spot there is, right here. I'm on the Virginia, Kentucky, and Tennessee mountains. So everybody's coming to our mountains, and why should I leave if we've got the mountains right here? So we're gonna take you along. Let's get these raised beds and get them in the barn. There's no need of waiting until it gets so cold you can't do this kind of stuff. This is the kind of stuff you want to do on. Okay, let's get these in here. Well, another project that I am beginning, and I had showed you earlier that I tore all this down. Well, guys, as you can see, I've been tearing down the old chicken coop, and it's been on its last leg for a while. So I decided it was time just to tear it down and either build a new one or buy a new one. Okay, as I'm filling the truck, let you get the rest of that wood. There's still some more. It's a warm, beautiful day, and I'm so glad. We might not have many more really pretty days. And all the animals are out. The goats are out happy. They're picking down in the bottom. So, and I got a piece of plywood maybe to put in front of the chicken coop's door. Okay. Okay, I go pick up all these limbs that I've thrown in the yard for about a couple of weeks. All the winds we've had. And they just wait here for that moment when I decide to throw them all down into the burn pile. I have a whole load this time. Big load of limbs. So let's look at the clean area. Yeah, we cleaned it all off. It looks good. How's that, girls? I had showed you earlier that I tore all this down, most of the wiring and stuff, and what I'm doing is putting a frame down for my next chicken coop. And don't hold me to it. Don't know how long this will take me because I'm working plus taking care of a lot of different areas right now. So, but I'm starting on my new chicken coop. And this is where I've decided to put it. Down on this end where I can separate all my little white chickens from my bigger chickens. But yeah, and I cut all these limbs out, which they were growing everywhere. So we've got a whole load of limbs to take down to the burn pile. But this is another project that we're preparing for winter. I hope you've enjoyed keeping up with what I've been doing, preparing the farm for this winter, and I hope everybody's preparing a little bit more this year. Yeah, there's just a lot of different things going on, and it's always better to have it than not have it. So keep working on your projects. Don't stop. Go get everything you need, maybe some extra, and we will see you back on the farm. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Come on, boys. We got some more stuff to do. Oh, smile. Look at all the puppies. Oh, he looks like a little hound dog. Here, let's see your little face. You look like a little hound dog. Oh, there's just puppies everywhere. Puppies.